Here are some of the really simple and effective macrame knots you can use to create macrame plant hangers, and I'm going to show you very briefly how to do each one. This is a square knot, nice, flat and straightforward, made up of 2 separate steps. First, pick up left, place it over the top of the centre cords, then take the right underneath both the left cord and the centre cords coming out of this shape here. Pull tight. Then the same again from the other side. So right cord over the middle, pick up the left and go under both the middle and the right cords and pull. Those 2 steps create a square knot. Next we have a spiral square knot, which creates this effective spiral. This one you're doing the same as you did in the square knot, except you just keep to the same side. So I've been creating this on the left, so pick the left up, right goes underneath both and pull tight. Keep repeating the same knot over and over. Because I'm using 2 colours, the colours keep alternating, but it's exactly the same each time. Next we have an alternating half hitch knot. This one you're knotting one side over the other and vice versa. The last knot was done in purple, so I'm now going to pick up cream, and you take it over the top of the purple, underneath and through that gap. Pull tight. Then to create a next one, you take the purple over the cream through that loop and pull tight. And then you keep repeating. Next we have a spaced square knot. This is exactly the same as the square knot over here, except there's gaps between them where we create these arches. So the tricky bit is just holding your threads tight while you're creating the square knot. So that's the first part. Second part is create the second bit of the square knot, but without losing the shape of these arches. So just hold on to both bits while you're pulling tight.